Do you want to know where your GSM-R and ETCS networks could be vulnerable to attacks? Here are 6 handy tips for railway telecommunication and signaling engineers. Do you have calls to RBCs starting from unauthorized BTS? Or are unauthorized SIM cards making ETCS connection attempts? Are your trains identifying Eurobalises in unknown or unexpected locations? Do you have ETCS level and mode changes in unexpected positions? Do you get a high number of call attempts to an RBC in a set period of time? Are simultaneous calls being made by the same SIM card? If you answered yes, or I don't know, to any of those questions, you may want to talk to us. Our OT cybersecurity solutions are designed for use with railway telecommunication and signaling systems. They are specifically designed to monitor data on GSM-R and ETCS networks, helping engineers to detect security and disruption issues in real time, and discover what is happening with assets, activities, and communications. We make it easy to continuously monitor abnormal behaviors and receive cybersecurity alerts in real time. There is a lot more we could tell you, so if you'd like a conversation or a demo, please get in touch. Reach us at expandium.sales@viavisolutions.com.